Cerebral malaria is due to A. Plasmodium falciparum, B. Plasmodium vivax, C. Plasmodium malariae, D. Plasmodium ovale. Correct answer is A. Plasmodium falciparum. Malignant tertian malaria is due to A. Plasmodium falciparum. In which phylum the body is segmented? A. Porifera, B. Coelenterata, C. Annelida, D. Mollusca. Correct answer is C. Annelida. Bilateral symmetry, metameric segmentation, coelom, and open circulatory are the features of A. Annelida, B. Arthropoda, C. Mollusca, D. Echinodermata. Correct answer is B. Arthropoda. The basic unit of taxonomy is A. Genus, B. Species, C. Order, D. Class. Correct answer is B. Species. The basis of protozoan classification is its quartan malaria is due to A. Plasmodium falciparum, B. Plasmodium vivax, C. Plasmodium ovale, D. Plasmodium malariae. Correct answer is D. Plasmodium malariae. Amoebiasis is prevented by A. Eating balanced food, B. Eating plenty of fruits, C. Drinking boiling water, D. Using mosquito nets. Correct answer is C. Drinking boiled water. Type of pseudopodia present in amoeba proteus is which one of the following is a monogenetic parasite? A. Plasmodium, B. Liver fluke, C. Tina solium, D. Entamoeba histolytica. Correct answer is D. Entamoeba histolytica. Which of the following represents obligate anaerobes? A. Spirogyra, B. Pisum sativum, C. Onion, D. Methane bacteria. Correct answer is D. Methane bacteria. The bacteria which lacks flagella and moves by gliding are included in A. Spirochetes, B. Rickettsia, C. Myxobacteria, D. Eubacteria.